In the world of business, quality service is at the forefront of any organization's success. This is why Jose Diaz is so valuable to both MV Transportation and Access Services. His performance is our performance, and his unmatched service keeps our enterprise always moving in the right direction. Though originally from Mexico, Jose has now been a San Fernando Valley resident for over 25 years. He began his career at MV as a vehicle operator in May 2008. As a driver, Jose could always be counted on to provide safe, reliable transportation and excellent customer care to his passengers. Because of his conscientious and diligent work record, his supervisors proudly promoted him to behind-the-wheel trainer. In this capacity, Jose shared his wealth of experience and his positive work ethic with new and existing operators, ensuring quality performance across the division. For his outstanding work as a BTW, Jose was promoted to full-time road supervisor in August of 2012. Day in and day out, Jose is the epitome of professionalism in his supervision of our drivers. His is a crucial contribution to the team efforts of MV and Access. Jose lives and breathes our core values: safety, customer service, and professional pride. And that is why we consider Jose to be a veritable blueprint for superior service. Congratulations, Jose. We couldn't do it without you.